Okay, this is a Chrysler remote. So you have a separate key. This is the remote. It's a 4-button, 3 major buttons on the panic, so it's a 4-button remote. And again, it's for a Chrysler, could fit the Dodges as well. Pretty simple. It's got a little tiny mark there. Now you can take I wonder if a quarter would do the trick. Yeah, a quarter would do the trick. You can take some money, just put it in there, give it a little pry. Look at that, just super easy on this one. There's the battery right there. Very common for quite a few of the remotes. It's a CR2032, same as what I have here on this Energizer. Just a little tiny pry. Whoops, flips right out. And you can see, if you ever get confused how did it come out, the contacts go onto the bottom, not where the numbers are, but the contacts for using the remote go on the bottom. So again, just clips in. Now I like to use brand name, Energizer, Duracell. You know, the Panasonics are okay, the Sonys. It's just, I want to stick with the brand names. Just put it together again. Very simple. It's all clipped back in. I'll just show you again real quick. Now this one's kind of easy. There's no screws. There's nothing tricky. It's got the little spot there. Dime works. Quarter works. Just give it a little, I just give it a little twist. So there's a little tiny twist. Very easy. There's nothing tricky here. And then to pull out the battery. And again, it's a stamp right on there, CR2032. There we go. And again, it just clips together. Very, very nice. Very simple. Hope that helps. Have a good day. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Subscribe to my channel. Also, visit my website and you can see what online locksmith training I have for beginners, intermediate, and advanced, as well as my covert methods of entry and my non-destructive methods of entry.